Hey guys, it's me Paul from the Diamond Minecart, and today I'm going to be unboxing this. Whoops. Oh, not expected. Oh, I was supposed to do that. But anyway, I looked on the box before I did this video. That was hard. And it says that it comes with this. Also, it says that it comes with a backpack that plugs straight into your gun. Oh, I think I found a gun. Yeah! Come on! Come on! Oh, it's so hard in here. Look at it. Look. I just want rage there. Wait, what? There's a backpack. Aww. Why isn't there a backpack? Backpack. Why?
Also available a backpack and this type of gun. So it's not included. So also available. That's why there's no backpack. Sorry about that, guys. Continuing.
But at least I still got the gun, right? If I didn't have the gun, I would be so upset.
Yes. This
Wait,
is
what?
the small.
No trigger. Oh, this is so big. Wait.
The water gun.
Wait, listen. It sounds like someone's farting. I'm trying to. Oh, I think I can follow from here. Yes. Wait a minute. Wait, follow me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it up. This might take a while. Please stand by. Oh. Let's stick it into the gun and see if it actually fires. And when we're gonna fire it, I'm gonna be outside. Okay, it's secured. Let's go outside. This thing just comes massiver by the second. More massive by the second. Wait, sorry. Wait a minute. I got this from upstairs, and I want to see if it fits. Hey, it does fit. It's from an actual Nerf gun with Nerf bullets. Let's go outside and test it out. What?
Gotta pump it.
Whoa, that shoots so far. Just